Welcome to Kerala PSC Prep. Today's study notes cover Constitutional Bodies, UPSC, Finance Commission, CAG, Attorney General. Complete study notes on UPSC, Finance Commission, CAG, Attorney General, Advocate General, and other constitutional bodies for Kerala PSC exams. Overview of constitutional bodies. Body. Article. Union Public Service Commission, UPSC. 315 to 323, State Public Service Commission, SPSC. 315 to 323, Finance Commission. 280. Continuing overview of constitutional bodies. Controller and Auditor General, CAG. 148 to 151, Attorney General of India. 76, Advocate General of State. 165, Election Commission. 324. Continuing overview of constitutional bodies. National Commission for SCs, 338. National Commission for STs, 338A. Special Officer for Linguistic Minorities. 350B. 1. Union Public Service Commission, UPSC, Articles 315 to 323. Feature. Details. Article. 315, Establishment. 316, Appointment. 317, Removal. 318, Regulations. 320, Functions. Nature. Constitutional body independent of executive control. Composition. Chairman plus members, usually 9 to 11, no fixed number in Constitution. Continuing 1. Union Public Service Commission, UPSC, Articles 315 to 323. Appointment. By the President of India. Qualification. At least half the members should have held government office for at least 10 years. Term. 6 years or 65 years of age, whichever is earlier. Removal. By the President on a report of the Supreme Court, Article 317. Continuing 1. Union Public Service Commission, UPSC, Articles 315 to 323. Resignation. To the President. Reappointment. Chairman not eligible for any government employment after retirement, members eligible only for appointment as UPSC Chairman or SPSC Chairman. Function. Details. Conduct examinations. Civil Services, IS, IPS, IFS, Engineering Services, Medical Services, etc. Continuing 1. Union Public Service Commission, UPSC, Articles 315 to 323. Direct recruitment. Advises government on recruitment methods. Promotion transfer. Consulted on principles for promotions and transfers. Disciplinary matters. Advises on all disciplinary matters affecting civil servants. Loan deputation. Advises on claims for costs of legal proceedings by civil servants. And 7 more in the full notes at keralaprep.com. 2. Finance Commission, Article 280. Feature. Details. Article. 280. Nature. Quasi-judicial body, constitutional. Constituted by President every 5 years or earlier. Continuing 2. Finance Commission, Article 280. Composition. 1 Chairman plus 4 members. Qualification. Chairman must be a person of experience in public affairs. Function. Details. Tax distribution. Recommends distribution of net proceeds of taxes between centre and states. Continuing 2. Finance Commission, Article 280. Grants in aid. Recommends principles governing grants in aid to states from Consolidated Fund of India. State Finance Commission. Suggests measures to augment state revenues. Any other matter referred by the President in the interest of sound finance. Advisory. Recommendations are advisory, not binding on the government. Continuing to Finance Commission Article 280. Commission. Chairman. First FC, 1951. K.C. Neogi. 14th FC, 2015-20. Y.V. Reddy. 15th FC, 2021-26. N.K. Singh. And one more in the full notes at keralaprep.com. 3. Controller and Auditor General, CAG, Articles 148 to 151. Feature. Details. Article 148, Appointment, 149, Duties, 150, Form of Accounts, 151, Audit Reports. Appointment. By the President by warrant under his hand and seal. Oath. Administered by the President or someone appointed by the President. Continuing 3. Controller and Auditor General, CAG, Articles 148 to 151. Term. 6 years or 65 years of age, whichever is earlier. Removal. Same manner as a Supreme Court judge, impeachment. Salary. Same as a Supreme Court judge. Post-retirement. Not eligible for further government office, central or state. Continuing 3. Controller and Auditor General, CAG, Articles 148 to 151. Called Guardian of the Public Purse. Described by Dr. Ambedkar. Most important officer under the Constitution. Function. Details. Audits accounts of Centre, States, Union Territories, and all bodies authorities funded by the Consolidated Fund. Continuing 3. Controller and Auditor General, CAG, Articles 148 to 151. Certifies net proceeds of taxes shared between Centre and States. Reports to President. Audit Report of Union Government, placed before Parliament, Article 151. Reports to Governor. Audit Report of State Government, placed before State Legislature. Audits. Government companies, 51% plus government share, autonomous bodies receiving government grants. And 10 more in the full notes at keralaprep.com. 4. Attorney General of India, Article 76. Feature. Details. Article 76. Appointment. By the President. Qualification. Must be qualified to be appointed as a judge of the Supreme Court, i.e., citizen of India, must have been a High Court judge for 5 years, or an advocate of a High Court for 10 years, or a distinguished jurist. Continuing 4. Attorney General of India, Article 76. Term. Not fixed, holds office during the pleasure of the President. Removal. No procedure specified, can be removed at will by the President. Salary. Not fixed by Constitution, determined by the President. Not a member of Cabinet. But can attend Parliament proceedings, right to speak and participate in either house, but no right to vote. Continuing 4. Attorney General of India, Article 76. Function. Details. Advises government on legal matters referred by the President. Performs duties assigned by the President. Appears on behalf of Government of India in all courts. Continuing 4. Attorney General of India, Article 76. Right of audience in all courts and tribunals in India. Can accept private practice. Not prohibited, but cannot advise against the Government of India or defend accused in criminal cases without government permission. AG. Period. M.C. Setalvad. First AG, 1950-63. and 3 more in the full notes at keralaprep.com. 5. Advocate General of State, Article 165. Feature. Details. Article 165 Appointment by the Governor. Qualification. Must be qualified to be a High Court judge. Continuing 5. Advocate General of State, Article 165. Term. Not fixed, holds office during pleasure of the Governor. Functions. Advises state government on legal matters, appears on behalf of state in courts. Right of audience. In all courts in the state and in the Supreme Court. Can participate in state legislature proceedings but cannot vote. Continuing 5. Advocate General of State, Article 165. Private practice. Permitted, with same restrictions as AG. Comparison. Attorney General versus Advocate General. Feature. Attorney General, Art 76. Appointing Authority. President. Qualification. SC Judge Qualification. For. Union Government. Continuing comparison. Attorney General versus Advocate General. Legislature. Can attend Parliament. Voting right. No. Term. Pleasure of President. 6 other important constitutional bodies. Feature. Details. Established. Originally as Special Officer, 1950, Commission since 1978, Constitutional Status since 2003, 89th Amendment. Composition. Chairperson plus Vice Chairperson plus 3 members. Appointment. By the President. Continuing 6. Other important constitutional bodies. Function. Investigate and monitor safeguards for SCs. Inquire into complaints. Report to President annually. Feature. Details. Established. Separated from SC Commission by 89th Constitutional Amendment, 2003. Composition. Chairperson plus Vice Chairperson plus 3 members. Continuing 6. Other important constitutional bodies. Function. Same as NCSC but for STs. Feature. Details. Added by 7th Constitutional Amendment, 1956. Appointment. By the President. Continuing 6. Other important constitutional bodies. Also called Commissioner for Linguistic Minorities. HQ. Allahabad, Prayagraj. Function. Investigate matters relating to safeguards for linguistic minorities. Report to President. For complete notes with tables and more details, visit keralaprep.com. Take quizzes and earn mock tests. Join our Telegram channel at keralaprep26 for daily updates.